Hello everyone, and welcome back. You've heard me talk about it in the last couple of videos about the new Himiway bikes that we had delivered here, the D5 and the A7 Pro. Got a storm rolling in right now, so I don't know how this is going to go. Metal garage, so when it rains out it gets loud, but I want to get these open and pulled out and any assembly needed done so that not tomorrow but the following day I'm going up to the tent. Melissa's going to be up there with me the following day. We're going to be up there for a few days. Dad's already up at his cabin for the Minnesota fishing opener, and we're going to be able to finally use these. So I need to get them out. I'm sure that it's going to say, you know, you need to charge the battery fully so we can take a look at everything. Check out what we've got. Well, this is what they look like when they come packaged. I mean, that's heavy packaging too. Check that out. That makes it worth it to me right there. It's like a multi-tool kit for this thing. It's got some sockets, screwdrivers, the right size hex type. It's a bike multi-tool. Since it's raining out so much, this storm is just going to blow through. I'm just going to start putting this together when I don't have to talk. And we'll see what it looks like when it's all done. Well, I have the D5 Himiway bike all put together. Tomorrow we'll get the A7 Pro put together. That wasn't so bad. The second one's going to go a lot faster. I thought this rain was going to blow through pretty quick, but it's taking its time. I just planted fruit trees yesterday though, so this is really good for that. Well, it's the next morning. I have the charger hooked up to the bike. I took it for a little spin. The thing's pretty fast. I mean, I didn't even go that fast, but it's faster than what I thought when you're taking off. Now I'm going to put the other one together. This one's the A7 Pro, the other one's the D5. I can't even remember what color I chose for this one here, but anyway, I'm going to get this put together and we'll take a look at it. Oh, both bikes are put together now. Both of them are nice. The D5 is faster, at least on takeoff and everything. I mean, I didn't open them up or anything, but then the A7 Pro. But the A7 Pro rides much smoother. It's got this suspension on the back tire, so that one is really nice over bumps and everything. Each of them has an LCD display. Yeah, I'll play around with these more. Right now, I just want to get them. I wanted to get them put together, and I want to get them charged up. But both of them are real nice bikes. Okay everyone, well, I made it up to the tent yesterday. Melissa and the dogs are coming up later today, and we're going to be here for a few days, so we'll get some riding in on these. I'm going to take out the D5 right now and go for a little spin. So far, this bike is awesome. Looks like it does about 20.1 miles an hour. A little bit chilly this morning and there's some rain coming in, but this is going to be really nice. Looks like that's as far as I go on this trail today. It's kind of chilly on my hands. I should have worn some gloves. It's 8:44 in the morning, 75.6 in here and 46.4 outside. It was 36 degrees when I woke up. Oh, my hands are cold. Well, that was the D5 right there. It's got the fatter tires. Let's try out the A7 Pro. A little bit thinner profile tires, same height. This one, I think it runs smoother. I think that the back tire has suspension on it. It's not quite as beefy as the other one, but let's take this one out for a short spin now that I can feel my fingers and I've got a pair of gloves. This one seems to work really good too. There's another grouse up there crossing the road. There he just flew. Now I'm starting to learn more about these, like with the pedal assist, how it, you know, you don't even need to use the gas pedal. You just pedal it. I have it on 5, which is high. Got this one to go 20 point something miles an hour also. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned to watch the tent video. Unless the tent video is already up, go over and watch the tent video, because if the weather stays good up here, we're definitely going to do some more bike riding. With those 2 rides, I put about 15 miles on the bikes. About 14 miles. And, I mean, they work good. They go fast. They really do. It'd be fun to take those on some real smooth, trails and stuff with the GoPro camera, so it isn't bouncing around so much. But Minnesota has, so many miles of bike trails that something like that would be really nice. Up here, it's going to be nice too. It just needs to warm up a little bit so that I don't get my face is freezing, tears are running down my face. Anyway, I like both those bikes. That D5, that's of the 2, I like that one better. Probably just because it's beefier. But the A7 Pro, it did good. As far as riding smoother, I think it does ride smoother on the little bumps. When you hit the big bumps, and you can adjust that, and I need to adjust it so that it's a little bit smoother on the seat when I'm sitting on it. But yeah, great bikes. Zachary, he has the e-bikes. He has a Himiway, and he was up here this winter, and he took and buzzed it around on the ice. He come up a week after I did on the winter trip, and there was no snow on the ice, so it was awesome. And I think that would be so fun. I mean, just buzzing around, going all over with the bike. He said it was a lot of fun. Anyway, like I said, thanks a lot for watching. You'll see more of the bikes in the actual tent video that's happening right now, which is going to be a long one. And Melissa and the 3 dogs are going to be up later today, and tomorrow fishing opener for Minnesota starts. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a goose standing on one leg with its beak under its wing, sleeping there right on the end of the dock. I will see you guys on the next video.